back to the First Intuition News Network. The long-awaited FI tournament has now finished. Let's head over to Aaron to find out what happened.
Thanks Caroline, and thanks everyone for attending our FI football tournament. We managed to raise £1,280 for our charity, and congratulations to Emerson's for winning the FI Cup. We are already preparing next year's tournament, so look out on our socials for the date.
Now an exciting new course is available to you. Let's head over to Emily to find out more.
Thanks, Caroline. Hi, everyone. It's Emily here. Yes, that's right. We'll be running 2 spreadsheet courses, one on the 22nd of July, which is our basic spreadsheet course, and one on the 12th of September, which is our advanced spreadsheet course. These courses are £160 plus VAT per person, and they'll be held at our Chelmsford Centre. So if you're looking to smarten up your Excel skills, then please get booked on.
Just a reminder, on the 14th of July, it will be ACCA Results Day. If you need any support, then please reach out and we will help you support you on your journey. If you're looking to progress to level 7, now is the time to act. Let's find out more.
Make sure you speak to your skills coach before the deadline. This helps us plan your next steps and secure your place on the programme. If you're unsure whether level 7 is the right option for you, reach out to your skills coach and they'll support you. They're here to support you and your journey.
Now just a quick reminder to keep your portfolios up to date. Submitting your work regularly helps us to keep track of your progress. Any issues with your submissions means that there could be delays to your endpoint assessment and any planned progressions. So just a reminder, if you are struggling with your submissions, make sure to reach out to your skills coach and we will help you with anything you need to support you along your journey. As the sun is shining and the heat is picking up, let's learn about some work-life balance. The sun is out and the days are longer, and let's be honest, it can feel hard to concentrate this time of year. So here are some tips to stay focused.
Plan your week and not just your day. Yes, you can still study, work and enjoy the sunshine. Use your calendar to block out time for all of these in order to stay ahead.
Set a sunshine goal. You can plan something like a break, a walk or a coffee. Things like this will help you to stay motivated and productive.
Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're falling behind or feeling overwhelmed, get in touch with your skills coach. They're here to support you.
Stay organised,
stay balanced
and soak up that summer energy. And now time for some shout outs. So we have Drew from TC Group. I wanted to wish you a massive well done for completing your portfolio, doing an amazing job on your apprenticeship and doing some incredible things outside of your work too. Well done. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again next time.